Welcome back for another carving video. So 30 seconds ago, I just found a spider in my respirator and had a mini panic attack. So always check your masks. But anyway, we're carving a duck today. Okay, so our duck is blocked out. I'm actually really proud of how much I got done with the chainsaw. I'm trying to push myself a little bit more each project to kind of get a little bit more done with the saw. That way I'm not so reliant on my hand tools. The saw is just so much faster too. So the more I can get done with the saw, the better. But this is what we have so far. It's these legs. It was a weird angle, so I did this off camera, but I actually separated his feet. He's got the start of his wings. So I'm gonna break out the hand tools now and we'll just kind of soften him up and give him a little bit more detail.
Okay, let's give this duck some proper duck feet.
So I was doing some thinking last night, and you can see how our duck is on this like skinny little base. Every time I look at this base, it just makes me think of a book. I know that might sound weird, but it was just like killing me last night. So I'm gonna turn this base into a book, and we're gonna see how it goes. So let's do it. This humidity is wild, but we have our book done, so let me show you. So you can see our book has its pages, and it wraps around with our little duck on top. Super cute. So this carving is actually for someone that's very special to me. It's one of my best friends, and she's getting married. She loves ducks. So when I had the book idea, what I was thinking was putting her last name on here. So it's gonna say Tales of the Hubbards, because that's going to be her new last name. So the original plan was to keep this all natural wood colored, which is a clear stain. But since this book idea kind of just popped in my head and I just can't get it out, I think I'm gonna color the book either like a navy or maroon, the lettering here, and again on the spine. And then this type of duck, Pekin, something duck, but they're bright white with the orange beak and feet. So we'll leave the beak and the feet wood, and we're gonna paint our duck here white. So I'm going to get some primer on the duck's body as well as the book, and we'll let that dry overnight, and then we'll go ahead and do our coloring tomorrow. So super exciting. Kristen, when you watch this, because I know you will, just know I love you, girl. I'm about to paint your duck. But since we decided to paint the duck, I'm going to lightly, very lightly, torch his wings and stuff. I don't know if you can see, but they're a little fuzzy. See these fuzzies? So we're gonna just kind of lightly burn those off, and then we'll put some primer on him. Like I said, we'll paint them tomorrow. I just roasted an earwig. Crunchy. Yee. I would have to say earwigs are probably one of my least favorite bugs. They always show up when you least expect them. There's another one. Where are they coming out of? Are they coming out of my torch? I keep seeing them shoot onto the carving. That's just nasty. Oh, what a way to go. Paint time. Okay guys, so I'm at my mom and dad's house in Massachusetts, and I have the bridal shower tomorrow where I will be gifting our duck to my best friend Kristen. So, but before I give it away, I gotta show you guys our finished duck. I'm quite proud of this one, by the way. It came out so cute.